How to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, open up Google in your device, head towards the search bar and there type in Instagram support. Now from the search results, tap on the first link. That's gonna take you to this page. Here, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Here, tap on Manage Your Account. Then select the first option, that is signing up and getting started. Once you land on this kind of interface, here, scroll down a bit and then here tap on No on the section that says was this helpful. So go with no option. Now from here, again it will ask a bunch of more options there. You can select other. Then you will get this text box where you can report your problem. Here you can mention your account or phone number that is linked with your account and you can provide the reason for the deletion and now reason for the activation back again. So you have to mention all of the reasons briefly, report your problem, and once you are done with that, all you have to do is tap on submit. Then Instagram Support Center will review your issue and will get back to you in order to help you to recover your account back. So in this way, you can recover permanently deleted Instagram account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.